Thutha wa wetereri munene wa Kenya hari kwamukira maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCSE kia mwaka uyu, Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed ni ahingirie kiraniro gyake kuri bururi gya kurekeria maumirira mbere ya mambura ma thiguku, maumirira maria mokite na ndeto njega. Hari Arutwo 6,660 magana meri ma ana aria marekire kigeranio kia mwaka uyu, Arutwo 9,377 nio megukorwo makigwatira mieke university-ini ngurani bururi-ini, na beno ikiongereka na Arutwo 20,268 kuuma mwaka muhituku kuria wa Arutwo 7,773 megwatiire mieke eno. Namba ya aria megwatiire grade A nayo ikiambatira nginyagia Arutwo magana matatu ma 15 ukiringithania na Arutwo 142 mwaka muhituku.
In 2018, 14 subjects recorded a significant improvement in performance compared to 13 last year. 12 subjects recorded a significant decline in performance compared with 13 in 2017.
Gukiri uguo, Amina ni oreti aria othe matane gwatira mieke no gwitikira kwiyandikithia na thukuru cia kothi cia moko na ritwa ringi TVET. Thirikari ni irekereirie ciringi bilioni 10.5 kuhotithia mathomo ma mathukuru maya gutwarithio na mbere hatari mihinga.
I wish to announce that the government has enhanced financing to over 150,000 TVET trainees at an estimated cost of 10.5 billion Kenya shillings. Currently, HELB is funding students in 74 TVET institutions and is expected to progressively increase funding to TVET trainees in all the 203 TVET institutions across our beloved country.
No na kuri uguo, mathomo ma githungu, githweri, CRE, home science, art and design ndomwe na mathomo mohuthiri wa shuma nimo mekitwo wega muno ni ciana cia airitu, na mo mathomo macio mangi 20 magikwo wega ni arutwo anake. Ihinda-ini riu muikariri giti wa kanjo igeranio George Magoha ni ugite ndaiganirite na maria hotete kuhingia rita muikariri giti wa kanjo ino ni maundu maria atanatigera ni makinyanira ihinda riake rita muikariri giti wa kanjo ino rigitanywo guthira mweri wa 2 mwaka turorete riri nake murugamiri munene wa TSC na Macharia augite kamiti ino ni tanyite kwandika arimu 8,000 ni gutigira mathomo matinatharara.
But I would have preferred that as I leave in March, we have got our offices secured in one place in South Sea, and we have got a smart warehouse which houses the command and control center that is linked to the places where we take the exam for storage, the containers.
We have a shortage of 87,737 teachers, and when we include those teachers required for the transition, this comes to 100,437.
Kigeranio-ini kia mwaka uyu, ciiko 62 cia wici wa kigeranio ni irandikithirio, na wandu 191 magikio ngono na gukinyia igoti-ini, iria iracungireirie maumirira ma arutwo 100 gukanjwo, na mo maumirira ma mathukuru maiganona kwaga kurekererio. Arutwo 1,499 mari na mawathe ngurani nio marekire KCSE mwaka uyu, gukiringithanio na arutwo 1,407 mwaka muhituku. Kuringana na Ministry ya Githomo, maumirira ma mwaka uyu ma KCSE ni kamweneni ga kugacira gwa githomo guku bururi-ini. Murigo munene ugitigirwo arutwo aria megwika kigeranio giki miaka-ini yukite gukinyaniria kiroto giki. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.